I'm doing another product review today for these Kasugai Sumiyaki coffee candies, product of Japan. I only have 2 in there because I like them so much. I already opened the bag and I already had some. They're special, so I only eat one once in a while instead of drinking a cup of coffee. It's for the extraordinary people. I got them delivered from Amazon. Net weight 3.35 ounces, 95 grams. When I first found them, I found them at an Asian market. And then I was so glad that Amazon had them too. They come in this neat little wrapper. You see? So good. The taste of coffee. Strong coffee immediately without any milk in there. I love those. Let me show you the ingredients. Let me show you. I'll show you the ingredients. Product of Japan. I love it. A thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed another product review from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.